go-to channel for all things beautiful and stylish for your home. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. When we talk about a fish pond in the context of home decor, we aren't just talking about a hole in the ground filled with water. A fish pond is a controlled aquatic ecosystem designed to bring the beauty of nature directly into your living space. It is a curated water feature that serves as a focal point for your garden or patio, combining structural elements like stones and liners with biological elements like fish and aquatic plants. Essentially, it is a living piece of art that bridges the gap between your home's architecture and the natural world, providing a dedicated space for reflection and connection with living creatures. Having a beautiful fish pond offers a wealth of benefits that go far beyond simple aesthetics. First and foremost is the incredible impact on your mental well-being. The sound of trickling water and the rhythmic movement of fish have been proven to reduce stress and lower blood pressure, creating a zen environment right at home. Environmentally, a pond can attract beneficial wildlife like dragonflies and birds, contributing to local biodiversity. Furthermore, a well-designed fish pond significantly boosts your property's curb appeal and market value. It turns a standard backyard into a luxury outdoor living area, offering a unique space for entertaining guests or enjoying a quiet morning coffee in a serene, cooled atmosphere. To make your fish pond look truly spectacular, you need to focus on layering and natural integration. Start by masking the edges of the pond with a mix of smooth river rocks and larger boulders to create a seamless transition from the water to the land. Incorporating different levels of greenery is also essential. Use floating plants like lilies for surface interest, submerged plants for water clarity, and marginal plants like irises around the perimeter to add height and color. Lighting plays a huge role in the wow factor, so consider adding underwater LED lights or spotlights aimed at waterfalls to ensure your pond looks magical even after the sun goes down. Finally, creating a nearby seating area such as a wooden deck or a stone bench allows you to appreciate the intricate details of your decoration from a comfortable vantage point. The best items for a successful fish pond are those that balance function with beauty. A high-quality filtration system and an efficient pump are non-negotiable, as they keep the water crystal clear and healthy for your fish. Beyond the mechanics, showpiece items like a stone Buddha statue or a decorative ceramic pitcher used as a water fountain can add a thematic touch to your design. For the livestock, vibrant koi or colorful goldfish are the stars of the show, providing movement and life. Don't forget functional decor like driftwood or ceramic tunnels, which provide necessary hiding spots for the fish while adding a rustic, natural texture to the underwater landscape. High-quality stone pavers for the coping and perhaps a glass viewing window can elevate a basic pond into a high-end architectural feature. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, here these the compilation of the top 10 best beautiful fish pond ideas to inspire you for your next project. One, the modern glass front sanctuary. This stunning design features a raised rectangular pond with a thick glass viewing pane, allowing you to see your koi from a side profile perspective just like an aquarium. The backdrop consists of a textured stone wall with a seated Buddha statue, framed by lush tropical greenery and elegant clay pots that spill water into the main basin. 2. The contemporary circular deck pond. A perfect blend of wood and water. This idea features a circular pond cut directly into a modern darkwood deck. The smooth, black interior of the pond makes the colors of the koi pop, while a minimalist stone waterfall adds a gentle sound element, creating a sophisticated and clean look for any urban backyard. 3. The rustic multi-level waterfall creek. This design mimics a natural mountain stream, using layers of flat stones and mossy rocks to create a series of small cascading waterfalls. It is surrounded by a dense variety of shrubs and flowering plants, making the pond feel like a hidden gem found deep within a forest, perfect for a cozy, cottage-style garden. For the elevated stone terrace pond, Built with sturdy, light-colored stone blocks, this raised pond is integrated directly into a backyard patio area. It features a small stone fountain and lily pads, providing a safe and contained environment for fish while doubling as a structural wall that defines the outdoor dining space. 5. The crystal clear boulder basin. This idea focuses on extreme water clarity and natural rock formations. Using large, smooth white and gray boulders both inside and outside the water, this pond creates a bright, refreshing look. The sunlight reflects off the shallow, sandy bottom, making it a perfect choice for a sunny, open-concept garden. 6. The tropical Zen water garden. Combining exotic plants with a dark, slate-lined pond, this design creates a high-contrast, moody aesthetic. The use of white gravel paths around the water's edge provides a clean border, while the overhanging palm trees and large-leaf tropical plants offer plenty of shade for the fish and a private, jungle-like feel for the homeowner. 7. The minimalist infinity edge pond. This modern masterpiece uses clean lines and a long rectangular shape that runs parallel to the house. The dark gray stone coping creates a sharp frame, while a small, hidden waterfall keeps the surface moving. It's an ideal choice for homeowners who prefer a less-is-more approach to their outdoor decor. 8. The sunken viewing gallery. This unique design features a large, deep pond with a massive glass window built into a brick or stone wall. This allows viewers to sit on a lower patio level and watch the fish swim at eye level, providing an immersive experience that feels like being underwater without getting wet. 9. The wildflower edge pond. This design is all about soft textures and vibrant colors. The pond is surrounded by tall grasses, purple irises, and various wildflowers that spill over the rocky edges. It's a beautiful, low-maintenance look that encourages a wild garden feel while providing a rich habitat for the fish. 10. The large-scale koi estate pond. For those with plenty of space, this grand pond features a sweeping, curved glass viewing area and a massive stone waterfall. The use of varied stone textures and a large surface area allows for a high population of large, prize-winning koi, making it the ultimate statement piece for a luxury estate. Creating a beautiful fish pond is a journey that rewards you with peace, beauty, and a deeper connection to nature every single day. Whether you prefer the sleek lines of a modern glassfront pond or the rugged charm of a stone waterfall, there is a design out there that fits your personality and your home's architecture. By choosing the right items and focusing on both the health of the fish and the aesthetics of the surroundings, you can turn your outdoor living area into a world-class retreat. If you enjoyed these fish pond inspirations, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more incredible home and garden ideas. Which of these top 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you're planning to build your own pond this year, tell us about your vision. We'd love to hear your ideas. See you in the next video.